Welcome to Guru Nanak Dev University, the Category 1 university in the region of Punjab. The university's learning programs cover an extensive gamut of courses in academic and skill development fields. The university, an incubator of academic proficiency, is committed to the spread of education. A hub of scientists, researchers, inventors, and architects, GNDU is a site for learning which aims to contribute to nation building.
Guru Nanak University is a 50-year-old institution which is conferred the status of Category 1 institution by the MHRD and the only university in the state of Punjab to have the status. It is also on the top 10 high-performing state public universities being funded under RUSA 2 of the MHRD. It is also conferred the status of University Potential for Excellence by the University Grants Commission. It is known for research and has an institutional edge index of 30, which is probably the highest among all institutions in this area. It is known for its very high citations and very state-of-the-art research facilities in various departments, and is funded by MYAS and MHRD in a big way. It is known for its sports, in which it has won the coveted Maka Trophy 23 times and has state-of-the-art sports facilities like AstroTurf, Velodrome, indoor gymnasium, international level swimming pool, and much more. It is also known for being the cleanest university in the country, with having been conferred the status of second cleanest institution in the country by MHRD 2 years consecutively.
The inception and growth of Guru Nanak Dev University is closely entwined with the saga of building an advanced modern India. It persistently endeavors to convert its students into highly qualified individuals ready to take challenges and responsibilities. GNDU focuses on seamlessly assimilating talent pool and skill sets, and these joint ventures reach success through sports and cultural platforms. The sports opportunities provided at GNDU help students to give vent to their energy, supplement their power of retention, improve capability to take risks, augment problem-solving skills. MIAS GNDU Sports Sciences and Medicine, supported by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, is a novel enterprise in an Indian university to provide specialized care in sports traumatology and rehabilitation to the athletes. Faculty of Sciences comprises of Department of Chemistry, Food Science and Technology, Mathematics, and Physics. GNDU has Department of Biotechnology, funded by DBT Government of India. Botanical and Environmental Sciences, Pharmaceutical Sciences, Molecular Biology and Biochemistry, Microbiology, Human Genetics, Zoology in the Faculty of Life Sciences. GNDU has a well-established Department of Education. Faculty of Engineering and Technology has Department of Computer Science, Computer Engineering and Technology, and Electronics Technology. Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences incorporates Department of History, Library and Information Science, Political Science, Psychology, School of Social Sciences and Sociology. Faculty of Economics and Business encompasses University School of Financial Studies, Punjab School of Economics and University Business School. Embracing multiplicity of cultures and dialects, Faculty of Languages comprises of Department of English, Foreign Languages, Hindi, School of Punjabi Studies, Sanskrit, Pali and Prakrit, Urdu and Persian. University also has Department of Architecture and Guru Ramdas School of Planning. University offers courses in physical education, laws, music and performing arts, and Guru Nanak studies. Newly established departments are University Institute of Technology, Hotel Management and Tourism, Mass Communication, Agriculture, Computational Statistics and Data Analytics. We have also got Department of Lifelong Learning. The university has recently introduced varied open and distance online learning courses. The placement drive is an indispensable part of Guru Nanak Dev University's annual calendar of activities. The cell functions as a bridge between university students and various organizations and industries. Our talented and highly placed alumni have a wealth of experience and skills which they regularly share with the students.